I always thought about the evolution of technology options as cards in a playing deck, I guess is the way I always thought about it. When I started, it was all paper and classrooms, right? And then it moved to some version of online. I think in 1991, I did my first online training course. So then it became, okay, now I have three ways I can do it. Then the internet came and early days of WebEx, believe it or not, although it took till 2020 to actually get mainstream. Some of us are using that stuff in the late 90s, early
Yep.
2000s, right? And it was, again, now a fourth way I can deliver things. And so I think of ChatGPT in that sort of context of like VR, AR, okay, fifth, sixth way I can do things.
Hmm.
I think about generative AI as in that vein, but it might help me do a lot of those things more quickly, maybe than I could before.
Hmm.
It's early days, but I'm seeing examples of content generation, quiz generation, course generation through ChatGPT or and similar engines where it's taking now 45 minutes where it might have taken 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
And so I think that those are really breakthrough efficiency plays right now,
Hmm.
more than they are like substitution plays,
Yeah.
which I actually think is good for the L&D community because I think that in general, I've always, in most of my career, we've always had more requests than I could possibly handle.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so now if I can get stuff done in 45 minutes instead of 4 days, or at least some fraction of what it used to take, that means in theory, I can produce more.